So in this particular question, he is asking us to find a and b value, and the given system of equations have infinitely many solutions. In this particular bit, we have only one unknown, that is a. There is no b in the system of equations, so we need to find only a value. Let us write the given system of equations in the next page. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. The next one is a minus 1x plus a plus 2y is equal to 3a. Let us transpose the constants to left hand side. 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. A minus 1x, a plus 2y minus 3a is equal to 0. Now let us write standard form of pair of linear equations. A2x, B2y, C2 is equal to 0. Write down A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to minus 7. A2 is equal to A minus 1, B2 is equal to A plus 2, C2 is equal to minus 3a. Since the lines have infinitely many solutions, they are coincident lines. The condition for coincident lines is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Let us substitute A1, A2. A1 is 2 beta, A2 is A minus 1. 2 by A minus 1 is equal to B1 is 3, B2 is A plus 2. C1 is minus 7, C2 is minus 3a. You can compare these two if you want, or else compare first two. Let us compare first two terms and get our a value. 2 by a minus 1 is equal to 3 by a plus 2 cross multiply. 2 into a plus 2 is equal to 3 into a minus 1. 2 into a, 2a, 2 twos are 4, 4 into a, 2a, 2 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 3a, 3 ones are 3. Transpose 2a to this side, 3 to this side. 4 plus 3 is equal to 3a minus 2a, 7 is equal to a. So the value of a is 7. You will be getting the same answer even if you compare these two terms. In the next question, two linear equations are given. We need to find the value of a and b. The given system of equations have infinitely many solutions. First of all, let us write the given system of equations in the next page. So I have taken the given equations. Now I will transpose the constants to left hand side. I will keep the constant in the bracket and I will transpose. Now on transposing, plus 12 will become minus 12. This whole thing is considered as constant. So when I transpose, it will become 5a minus 1. Here we used to have plus sign. On transposing, that plus will become minus. Inside the bracket, sign will not change. This minus remains minus only. This whole sign will change. Now write down standard form of pair of linear equations a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. A1 value is 3, b1 value is 4, c1 value is minus 12, a2, a plus b, b2, 2 into a minus 1, sorry, 2 into a minus b, c2, this whole thing is c2, minus 5a minus 1, okay? Now, since the given system of equations have infinitely many solutions, they are coincident lines. The condition for coincident lines is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This is the required condition. Now let us substitute a1 by a2 values. a1 is 3, a2 is a plus b. 3 by a plus b, b1 by b2. b1 is 4, b2 is 2 into a minus b. c1 by c2. c1 is minus 12, c2 is minus 5 minus a. minus 5a minus 1, C2 value. Now let us start comparing first two terms to get one equation. Let's compare 3 by a plus b, 4 by 2 into a minus b. 2 will cancel 4. Now cross multiply. These two will get multiplied. 3 into a minus b. These two will get multiplied. 2 into a plus b. अभी आपको एक इक्वेशन आएगा ए बी में 3a minus 3b, 2a plus 2b. ओके, नाउ पूरे एस एक जगह लिखे जाइए, पूरे 20 एक जगह लिखे जाइए. 3a ये 2a ट्रांसपोज होके माइनस 2a हो जाएगा. 2b एज इट इज लिखिए. ये माइनस 3b ट्रांसपोज होके प्लस 3b हो जाएगा. a इज इक्वल टू 5b. एक रिलेशन आया आपको a और b में. a इज इक्वल टू 5b. फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स को कंपेयर करने से आपको एक सिंपल रिलेशन आया. व्हाट इट? Now let us compare second and third terms. I will be writing these terms in the next page. 4 by 2 into a minus b. 4 by 2 into a minus b is equal to minus 12 by minus 5a minus 1. 2 will cancel 4 two times. Minus and minus both will cancel. 2 by a minus b will remain. 12 by 5a minus 1 will remain. Just do cross multiplication. 2 into 5a minus 1 is equal to 12 into a minus b. Now 2 5s are 10a. 2 1s are 2. 12 into a, 12a. 12 into b, 12b. Take all a's to one side, b's to one other side. Okay, let us take all variables to one side. Leave minus 2 here. 12a minus 12b written as it is. I am transposing this 10a to the other side. It will become minus 10a. Now you can simplify a's, subtract. Minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 10. 2a minus 12b. All the terms are divisible by 2. पूरे terms 2 से divide होते, so 2 से पूरे terms को divide कर दीजिए. On left hand side, right hand side, 2 will get cancelled, minus 1 will remain. 2 will get cancelled, a will remain. 2 will go in 12 6 times. 12 will go into 6 times, 6b. So now I got an equation minus 1 is equal to a minus 6b. A is equal to 5b. Since I already got a is equal to 5b, I will substitute in the place of a. I will write 5b minus 6b minus 1b. Minus minus cancel. B is equal to 1. So I got b is equal to 1, but I know a is equal to 5b. On substituting b value, I will get a value as 5. So the final answer, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. That's it. In this particular question, he is asking us to find a and b value. And the given system of equations have infinitely many solutions. Let us write the given system of equations. The first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. The next equation is 2ax plus ay is equal to 28 minus by. Okay. Now I would like to transpose this 7 to the left hand side. So I will get 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Let us transpose this separately. 2ax plus ay. I would like to transpose this y term. First, I would like to transpose this y term. Minus by will become plus by. Then I would be transposing 28. It will become minus 28 is equal to 0. ध्यान से देखिए यहाँ पर कांस्टेंट रहता, कोई कांस्टेंट रहता, एक्स वाई नहीं रहते, तो ब्रैकेट के साथ ट्रांसपोज करना जब -28 माइनस ए होता। यहाँ पर ये कांस्टेंट नहीं है, यहाँ पर बी वाई टर्म है, सो इस वास्ते वाई टर्म पहले ट्रांसपोज करें, नंबर बाद में ट्रांसपोज करें, दोनों अलग अलग एक साथ नहीं, अलग अलग ट्रांसपोज करें। व्हाट आई मीन टू से, ब्रैकेट के साथ नहीं करें, सेपरेटली ट्रांसपोज करें। यहां पर आप y कॉमन ले सकते, इक्वेशन को प्रॉपर बना सकते। 2ax प्लस y कॉमन लेने से a प्लस बी बचता, -28 इज इक्वल टू 0। ये क्वेश्चन का ट्विस्ट यही है कि आपको सेपरेटली ट्रांसपोज करके y टर्म्स को सिंप्लीफाई करना होगा आपको। नाउ writing the general form, a1x b1y c1 is equal to 0, a2x b2y c2 is equal to 0. What is a1 value? a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is -7, a2 is 2a, b2 is a plus b, c2 is -28. Now let us write the condition for coincident lines. Here, since the given lines have infinitely many solutions, they are coincident lines. Now the condition for coincident lines is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, A1 by A2, 2 by 2A, B1 by B2, 3 by A plus B, C1 by C2, minus 7 by minus 28. Let us simplify this. 2 get cancelled, 1 by A, 3 by A plus B, minus minus cancel, 7 ones are 7 fours are. Compare first and last term. 1 by A is equal to 1 by 4, cross multiply, A is equal to 4 ones are 4. Compare second and third term. 3 by A plus B is equal to 1 by 4, cross multiply, A plus B ones are A plus B, 4 threes are 12. I already got A value. Substitute A is equal to 4. You will get 4 plus B is equal to 12. B is equal to 12 minus 4. B is equal to 8. So the final answer is A is equal to 4. B is equal to 8. That's it. So he is asking us to find A and B values, and the system of equations have infinitely many solutions. First of all, let us write the given equations. In the next page, I have taken both the given equations. Now they are in proper order, no need to transpose. Directly I'm writing standard form A1x B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. A1 is equal to 2A minus 1, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to minus 5, A2 3, B2 B minus 1, C2 minus 2. So they have infinitely many solutions, means they are coincident lines. In coincident lines, we have the condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So what is A1? 2A minus 1 by 3. What is B1? 3 by B minus 1, B2, B1 by B2. C1 minus 5, C2 is minus 2. So minus minus would get cancelled. On comparing these two, I will be getting A value. On comparing these two, I will be getting B value. I will not compare these two. Why? Because both of them involve unknown values. If I compare these two, I may get an equation, but I don't get values of A and B. So I will not waste time in comparing first two terms. Rather, I would try to compare first and last. Let's start. First one, 2A minus 1 by 3. Last one, 5 by 2. Cross multiply 2 into 2A minus 1 is equal to 3 into 5. 4A minus 2 is equal to 15. 4A is equal to 15 plus 2. 4A is equal to 17. A is equal to 17 by 4. So now next, comparing second and third term. 3 by b minus a is equal to 5 by 2, cross multiply, b minus 1. This is 1. 5 into b minus 1 is equal to 3 2s are 6. Always make a habit of writing unknown on the left hand side. Don't multiply 3 2s are 6 is equal to, don't write 6 on the left hand side. Better to write unknown product on the left and known on the right. These small things will matter a lot. 5 into b, 5b minus 5 is equal to 6 transpose. 5b is equal to 6 plus 5. 5b is equal to 11. B is equal to 11 by 5. That's it. So the final answer is A is equal to 17 by 4. B is equal to 11 by 5.